Are you looking for the best bike cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best bike cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Finish Line Super Bike Wash Bicycle Cleaner. Finish Line Super Bike Wash Bicycle Cleaner is a biodegradable and non-corrosive bike cleaner that allows easy cleaning by simply squirting on and hosing off. It can quickly remove dirt, road grime, chain soils, and clay. The product contains 5 unique cleaning agents that create a high-speed cleaning effect while protecting the metal surfaces with 2 rust and oxidation inhibitors. The bio-cleaning material is free from chlorinated solvents, phosphates, benzenes, and naphthas, making it safe for bicycle components and the environment. Moreover, this cleaner is 100% California Air Regulatory Board compliant and free from carcinogenic elements and hazardous air pollutants. What we like: effective cleaning performance, easy to apply and rinse, restores shine to bike, good for various bike parts, quickly removes grime. What we don't like: pump nozzle may break, some packaging issues. Number 2. WD-40 Bike Cleaner, 32 ounces. Keep your bike looking as good as new with WD-40 Bike Cleaner. This biodegradable cleaner is safe for all bike surfaces and can help remove embedded grease and grime that can cause wear, damage, and surface scratching. Whether you're a beginner or a pro athlete, this cleaner is perfect for you. WD-40 bike products have undergone extensive testing to ensure their quality and effectiveness. Plus, the brand sets up hands-on wash stations at local bike events around the globe, so you can try out each product for essential bike maintenance. With WD-40 Bike Cleaner, you can keep your gears clean and your wheels spinning. What we like: effective on various surfaces, easy to use, great for weekly maintenance, affordable compared to competitors. What we don't like: may not clean chain thoroughly, packaging issues reported. Number 3. Muc-Off Nano-Tech Bike Cleaner. Muc-Off Nano-Tech Bike Cleaner is a state-of-the-art alkaline-based formula that is fully biodegradable, safe on all surfaces, and suitable for all types of bikes. The formula features nanotechnology that breaks down dirt and grime on a molecular level for the ultimate clean. It is available in a variety of sizes, including 1-liter spray, 5-liter bottle, and 25-liter drum. This infamous pink cleaner won't damage any parts, and it's even disc brake friendly. Whether you prefer to hit the road or shred the trails on your MTB, Nano-Tech Bike Cleaner is the ultimate post-ride bike wash. What we like: effective grime removal, easy to use, biodegradable formula, gentle on bike surfaces, good value in bulk. What we don't like: somewhat pricey, can dry quickly in sunlight. Number 4. STA-BIL Sport Bike Cleaner and Protectant. Keep your bicycle clean and shiny with STA-BIL Sport Bike Cleaner and Protectant. This cleaner is safe for all bikes and can be used to protect metal, carbon fiber, rubber, plastic, paint, vinyl, or leather. The cleaner leaves a protective layer that repels dirt, water, dust, and salt, and provides superior UV protection that will prevent paint damage. Simply spray on a soft towel and wipe all bike surfaces. It's easy to use and proudly made in the USA. What we like: easy to use, leaves a nice shine, effective on e-bikes, good for everyday touch-ups, American-made product. What we don't like: small bottle size, made of sculler white letters. Number 5. Park Tool CG 2.4 Chain Cleaning System. The Park Tool CG 2.4 Chain Cleaning System is a comprehensive cleaning solution for bike chains, rear cogs, and chain rings. It comes with a cyclone chain scrubber that effectively cleans chains, a gear clean brush that reaches deep between gears, and a chain bright chain and component cleaning fluid that is plant-based and safe for various bike parts. With this system, you can clean your bike quickly, easily, and effectively without worrying about damaging any part of it. What we like: Easy and seamless cleaning. Sturdy and well-built. Effective cleaning brushes. Long-lasting performance. Good for maintenance. What we don't like. Some learning curve. Cleaning solution limited.